Okay guys, so welcome in the first lecture and we'll be discussing about what is e-commerce. I hope that most of you whoever is opting for this course and continuing with this course, so he should be aware somehow. But if someone is here who is still not aware of this e-commerce, so I should explain for them that what is e-commerce. So as you can see that people are buying since eras and selling, but before it was a physical business. People used to buy physically and sell physically, but now as the world has converted to a virtual world, that's why everything is getting advanced. So now there is another type of business. Before it was just commerce, but now it's e-commerce. So in e-commerce, what happens basically, the buying and selling, they are done remotely from remote locations, right? And in e-commerce, the main two components, they are e-commerce store or online marketplaces. So what's the difference between these both? E-commerce store, if someone create his own website and start selling on that website, so it's called an e-commerce store. And on the other hand, online marketplaces, like you might have heard or you have seen or you might have done buying on these marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Jumia, and Frugo, and so many. So these are called online marketplaces. These are the marketplaces, the companies, the organization that provide a facility, an opportunity to all of the sellers across the world to sell on their platforms and use their platform as their own website. Like I will say, they are allowing the sellers to sell their product on the customers which are visiting their marketplace. Like Amazon has a lot of visitors, so they are allowing the sellers that they should interact with the customers of Amazon. So I would prefer to sell on marketplace in the start, because third party marketplace or online marketplace, they are already having a big traffic. So we do not need to make a big traffic for in the start. Like in e-commerce store, in your website, you first have to build your traffic on your website, but that problem is solved in a third party marketplace. In like it's already solved, they already having traffic on their platforms. So this is a short introduction of e-commerce.